Princess Kaylee, thank you, my sister. Steven Adventure from North Carolina. Wow. North Carolina. I hope ano to? I sleep. Hey. Guys, yung light natin, guys, oh. Huwag mo, anak, kay masilawan sila, nak. Ganyan mo lang.
Phone lang yan. Hindi sila masisilawan.
Hindi, ayan, oh. Di ba? Sakit. It's up and down, but getting stopped all the time. Oh, hope you have more client. Steven Adventure, hope you have more client, more stop sale. For success. Ayan. Yay! You look beautiful as always. Yeah, hippie. Look, oh. I think hippie, I'm getting fat. I'm already fat. Hmm? I can't wear ano to, crop top. Yeah, I'm here with my daughter, Princess, beside me. She up and down. Guys, nakayusin mong camera na. Hindi ba na ako makita na oh.
Na ikaw kasi
More love you can give. Wow. More love you can give from Happy Deppy, my friend. Happy Deppy, how old are you now? Oy, where's my lights? Ala, pagkadilima yung lights. Dilim gang, baka maano tayo ni YouTube gang. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda.
Okay.
Okay.
Mas okay na. Yan.
32! Oh my God! You're very... Oh, in your 32 years, how many wife do you have? You're 32 years old. I'm 32 and never been married. Oh, that's good. So, what age do you ready to marriage? Naunsa man ang English natin, gang? Ay, my ears is very ano. Hindi pa pakali si Princess. It's time to you, my way back then. When is your plan to get married, Happy Deppy? That up to me. Oh. So you've been married? You don't have daughter or you don't have children? Ayan guys. Hello, hello. Wow, naka 12 minutes tayo ha. 20 minutes lang. Still a virgin. Oh my God. Virgin. Oh my God, uso pa pala yan. Epi-depi ah. Wow, you still virgin. Sana all. Hi guys. Hello. How are you everyone? Hey, hey, hey. Shout out, shout out. We have friend here. Epi-depi. Of course. Where's the other? Comment down. Comment down below. Come on.